Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. Open your books, page number 90. Today we will study about conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases and sentences. For example, I bought bananas and apples from the market. And a conjunction which is used to join words bananas and apples. Rashid doesn't mind working at home or in the office. Joining phrases working at home or in the office. Amir has a fever, but he won't stay in bed. Joining sentences. Amir has a fever, but is a conjunction. He won't stay in bed. Another sentence. This pictorial description may be helpful to understand about the conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. They join words or sentences, and these conjunctions are yet, so, for, and, but, or, because, nor. Students must remember this: when we merge two sentences that have the same subject, it can be dropped from the second sentence. What ate? Ate means subject. For example, we woke up and we ate breakfast. It will be we woke up and ate breakfast. We shall study three types of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating and correlative. So first is coordinating conjunctions. A coordinating conjunction is used to join words or groups of words that are equally important. Focus on that point. Equally important means they are independent. For example, Rahman likes football and cricket. Would you like to eat now or after a while? We use coordinating conjunctions to join sentences together when each sentence is independent of the others and is capable of being a sentence on its own. For example, Meena sat in her room and did her homework. Some important coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. This pictorial description is related to coordinating conjunctions. Dear students, you can learn coordinating conjunction with this pictorial description. You can say that for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. You can say fan, voice. In this way, you can learn the coordinating conjunctions. So there are the uses of coordinating conjunctions. We use for to join two sentences if the second sentence contains the reason for the first. We were very hungry. For, we had eaten nothing since the morning. When we want to show the sequence in which two actions happen, we join the sentences with and. For example, the teacher came into the room and started distributing the exam papers. We use so to join two sentences if the first sentence contains the reason for the second. For example, we had eaten nothing since the morning, so we were very hungry. We can use but or yet to join sentences if the second sentence contrasts with the first. How? For example, Samia eats heartily but is very thin. She is slim yet stronger than I am. We can also use but if the second statement contains proof of the first. For example, Maria didn't waste her time but started to study immediately. Student must remember one thing: we sometimes put a comma before a coordinating conjunction. We do this if we feel that a pause is needed at that point when the sentence is spoken, but we never put a comma after a coordinating conjunction. Part A is related exercise of coordinating conjunction. Fill in the blanks with suitable coordinating conjunction. Aslam couldn't hear me, so I whistled louder. The driver turned the key in the ignition and released the handbrake. In this way, you are to solve the remaining exercise. Second is subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunction. As you can realize by reading the name of the conjunction that subordinating conjunction, it means it is used to connect groups of words, one of which is dependent on the other. One group adds to the meaning of the other, though each could still be a sentence on its own. For example, after he learned to drive, Munawwar felt more independent. Imran is happy because his grandmother is here. Imran is happy, and cause of happiness is his grandmother is here. It means one sentence is depending on the other. Subordinating conjunctions are after, that, although, though, as, unless, because, until, before, when, for, whenever, if, where, once, wherever, since, whether, then, while are the subordinating conjunctions. Here is how then is used as a subordinating conjunction. Maruf works harder than I do. Kabir is shorter than she is. Although and though have the same meaning and are used in the same way. Till and until are similarly identical. We normally do not use a comma either before or after the subordinating conjunction. Part B is a related exercise of subordinating conjunctions. Join these pairs of sentences using a suitable subordinating conjunction from the brackets. You may have to make a few changes. He is already 6 years old. He cannot brush his own teeth. Though or since. Although he is already 6 years old, comma, he cannot brush his own teeth. Second example, you cannot go out to play. You must clean up your home. Unless, because. You cannot go out to play unless you clean up your room. In this way, you are to solve the remaining exercise. Third kind of conjunction is correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions always appear as a pair and are used to link equivalent sentence elements. They can be used for joining either words or sentences. Correlative conjunctions. This is a chart which is related to correlative conjunctions with their examples. Conjunctions are both and, either or, neither nor, whether or, not only but also, such that, curiously, when, no sooner than. For example, both and. The company deals in both hardware and software. For example, the earthquake was so powerful that it destroyed every building in the town. So, that correlative conjunctions. The dictator not only declared martial law but also imprisoned several politicians. Not only but also correlative conjunctions. The importance of correlative conjunctions is that they always come in form of pairs. Part C is a related exercise of correlative conjunctions. Fill in the blanks with suitable correlative conjunctions. Dash the minister, dash his wife will be happy to attend the function. Both the minister and his wife will be happy to attend the function. Grandmother was so happy to see us that she started crying. Both my mobile phone and my landline are working. I am not so gullible as to believe that you are an alien from outer space. So in this way, we are to solve the remaining exercise. Okay, students, after completing the reading about the types of conjunction in English, here is a summary of all three conjunctions. First is coordinating conjunctions, second subordinating conjunctions, third correlative conjunctions. And this chart may be helpful to understand about all three kinds of conjunctions. Thank you.